Hello? Hello? Who are you?
You wanted a bike fixed?
I did, actually. Here's my bike. It makes everything ding, 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 ding. And you know, I would like to change to have this on my bike. You see? Wanna try it? It's nice, no?
You know I'm not a bike mechanic, right?
Huh? But your ad said you're a bike mechanic.
No. You asked me to be a bike mechanic.
No, it said I'll be whatever you want. And I said, yeah, I need a bike mechanic, no? Give you something to
This isn't a bike.
This is a bike. I ride it. And when I ride it, it's a bike.
I still don't believe that you call this a bike, man.
This is a bike. You can
This is
ride
a
it.
fucking scooter.
And this is why it's a bike. You ride. When you like to eat breakfast, what do you like to eat breakfast?
I normally eat like bread and maybe some butter and some jam.
Mm.
How about you? What do you eat for breakfast?
Corpses. Anyways, do you want something to drink?
Some coffee.
I don't have coffee.
Some water.
Do you want some alcohol-free pina colada?
Yes.
Okay. It's not concerning.
I don't.
Just drink it. Yes, there you go.
Oh God.
So you want me to take it?
Hmm.
Took you so long? Are you ready? It's. You said you can do that. You said you can do that, right?
Shouldn't we be wearing gloves?
Oh,
What time is it?
time is it? Doesn't matter. You have to go to the patient.
I came here in the morning. The sun's going down already.
Sun is not going down. Focus on the important thing, which is doing the operation. This has to be connected to this. You said you can do that. Didn't you?
I'm a fucking prostitute, man.
No! You're a bike mechanic. Don't you see it? Don't you see it? See, come here. There. The numbers. The numbers are going somewhere else. You have to be quick.
Jesus.
Fix a bike. You do it.
Fit?
Of course, and there's the handlebars.
I think I
Why can't you do that, huh?
Oh God.
Why can't you do that?
Oh God.
Why? I brought you here to fix my fucking bike. Ah! Ah! Ah!